Okay, so in this video we're going to show how the IDS-based IFC exporter works for Archicad, specifically for CHEK project. So after we open our project in Archicad, we need to go to EU CHEK in the menu, okay, and then we can open the IFC exporter. So after it loads this window, we have the options to select the entire module if we want to export the entire module, or the active view. And we have the IDS file, in this case for IDS files that uh, are predefined. So for example, if we choose the first one, Ascoli Piceno, we can map the properties, or yeah, the Archicad properties in this case, for custom predefined based on the IFC schema. So for example, we have the CHEK common, and also we have the psets that are coming from the IFC schema. Since Archicad is more flexible with types, we're leaving it open to the user to select the types, because the properties could be added to multiple types in Archicad, so that's why it's more flexible. So in this case, the user, in this case, for example, for FC wall, they will need to choose here wall and select the property related to the wall. After everything is defined, same for the other properties, same case. So after everything is defined, you can just select also the translator. So here is defined the IFC schema version. So if you hover on top of this information icon, you will see that we're supporting version 4. So you need to make sure in the translator that you're using IFC version schema version 4. So for example, I will show you the translators in Archicad, but I will just save this profile, what I already configured here, just to show you also how this works, the profiles. So I will go here and I will create a new profile and we save this, and I will say test case. Okay, so I will just save, just so I don't lose this data that I already filled. I will just close this and I will show you what we have in the translators. So if we go to IFC translators, it will display here the settings for each configuration to export to IFC. So for example, here we have the IFC schema, right, that we need to set up. And also we have other module filters, type mappings, everything. We take all this configuration from these translators and then we use it in our plugin. Okay, so I will open it again and I will just select my previous profile. I will just finish this with some values. Yeah, so I have everything filled, just put in some random values, and I will export just the elements of the active view. Okay, so just the elements of this view, and I will just say export type C. Click on the button, and yeah, I will pause the video because it could take some time. Okay, so after uh, the loading finished, now we have this message that we can open directly here the folder to access the file. And yeah, from here we can just check our IFC file, just export it. Okay, thanks.